good, Torque fam? So here's another vlog. Y'all told me y'all wanted me to vlog more, so that's what we're gonna do. So pretty much recently I've been thinking about selling the G because a lot of the, well, not even a lot of stuff is falling apart. It's not necessarily stuff falling apart. It's like, you know how it is when you do stuff to the car and stuff breaks. But me being 18 in high school, about to be a freshman in college, and literally, what, 2 months, I start in August, can't really be affording all this stuff. Like, you can't afford to fix bearings at $300 a piece every week, you know what I'm saying? My bearing got fixed last week. It was broken 2 days. How? That's beyond me. But yeah, man, so I've been thinking about another car, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, torquetv.tm. That's where you'll get most of the updates on the G, on me, all that stuff. Pretty much, I've been thinking about copping the Evo. I like the Evo 8 and the Evo 9. Those are my favorite Evos. But I may wind up getting the Evo 10 only because I can finance the Evo 10. I can't really find an Evo 9 or Evo 8 at a dealership that'll allow me to finance. Unless you go to like Joe Schmoes from down the block that think he got all these nice cars, and then you buy one of them cars with a bunch of miles on it, and you pay like 12 grand in maintenance, and I'm not trying to do that. But right now, we got what I would like to call a nice little gem, the Evo 9, what nobody could find. No one can find the Evo 9. So I'm here, you feel me, with my boy. I'm gonna have his Instagram in the description. Go follow him. His build is nice. But yeah, check it out. For the moment everybody that watches a video on a car has been waiting for. I'm scared. Oh, he closed the door. Come on, big fella, what you doing? Start it up. So you gonna start it?
Oh shit. Start it?
Yeah, start it up. Oh yes. Rev it a little bit. Yeah, y'all see it. Oh, he gonna air it out on us. Oh, that's beyond me. On a serious note, like, listen to this idle. This thing has a turbo in it. It's just, why not go boosted, you feel me? This is a much more practical car than mine. It has more space than I do. You know what I'm saying? Yo, peep the Recaro seats though. Stuck. Come on, you put a 4-point harness back there and you set, big fellas. Come on, man. Who's gonna say no to this? Who's gonna say no? Let me know. Who is gonna say no to an Evo 9? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. But yeah, man, like, Evos are nice. I've done literally countless hours of research on this, on the Evo 9 and Evo 8. I'm about to start doing some on the Evo 10. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I'm about to start doing some research on the Evo 10, just because that may be the one I get due to finance purposes. But listen, I can even smell this thing. It smells nice. So I'm doing a photo shoot for him right now real quick, just to give you guys a teaser of what could potentially be on the channel. Look at that. Come on, man. So we just gonna give y'all a teaser real quick. I want y'all to let me know in the comment section if y'all want me to review this. I mean, it's gonna happen anyway. I just want to know if y'all excited for it. Hold on. There we go. So we got the air fuel right there. Feel me? My car would explode at that. Real talk. I don't even know what this is. Looks like the boost gate. Yep, that's boost. It says it. It's the only way I could tell. Read it. So, give them an estimate on how much power you're running right now.
Right now it's pretty weak. It's probably like 350, 300 right now.
Yeah, you heard.
Crazy.
Now, he said that's weak. I ain't even touching threes. He talking about something that's weak. We had the air up on him because low life. Boots feeling nice, yo. It definitely, like, he's not even getting on it, and I can feel the power. Like, I can tell this is way faster than the G by far. I got a road, bro, for you to, like, where you can step on it. I'm gonna show it to you. It's like 5 minutes from here. But yeah. What'd you say?
It's like breaking up, but I'm pretty sure my math is
yeah. But yeah, we gonna get back to y'all when we get on this road.
Recording?
Yeah. Why'd you baby in that throttle? I can feel that. We getting boost and you let go of the gas. What's good with you?
This wheel's too big. There's a UE right here. Actually, nah. I just washed the car. Cannot do that.
Oh yeah, these cars can't turn around, right?
No, I can turn around, but it's all that dust after we just washed this shit.
Oh yeah. They said the turning radius on these are ass though.
Oh yeah, I definitely tried some snow drifting. You got no turning radius. You got no full lock. It's literally probably like 50 degrees, 40 degrees. It's terrible, especially with the big ass, like what, 10.5? Yeah. Negative offsets, that shit is not.
You might as well bust this UE right here then, if we could.
If you could pull UE, it's gonna be like some, oh.
Yeah. Straight. We got to put the hazards on.
3-point turn type.
You got a blow valve on this? Or is that stock?
No, it's actually stock. Stock MR one sound pretty good.
Oh wow. That stock don't sound bad at all. That's crazy. This is stock. What? Come on, man. Let's feel some boost, big fella. When does it start going into boost? Like what RPM? Like 4 or 5?
A little after 3. Well, it depends, but a little after 3. I mean, if you have some big ass turbo, that should probably be like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
But the stock turbo, a little after 3. Yeah.
Word. Alright, Torque fam, so that's gonna conclude this video. If you have any questions on why the G35 might be coming to an end, let me know. Hit me up, torquetv.tm on Instagram. Hit my DM. I do respond to DMs, or make a comment below. What do you guys think? Evo? We might be turning to an Evo channel, because I'm Torque TV. I'm not G35 TV or Infinity TV or Nissan TV. I'm Torque TV. Anything with torque is going to be on this channel, and I've said that in multiple videos. So you guys let me know. But for right now, like, comment, share, and please subscribe. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell, because the notification gang always gets to the raffles first. When I hit 10K, we're doing a raffle. Be ready for it.